Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you Android secret code to increase battery life. So guys, at first go to your phone settings. Now tap on the search bar and search battery. Now tap on the settings icon in the right side of the corner. Tap on battery saver. Now turn on the battery saver mode. Now you can see optional optimization. You have to turn on these two options. Don't wake screen for notifications and turn off always on display. Also you have to turn on this option, turn off when charged. Now go back, swipe down, and you have to turn on this option, battery drain notifications. So guys, that's it. And this way your phone battery will increase a lot. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.